What's up everybody, I'm Jesse Showalter, and in this episode I figured I would show you what it looks like to unwrap one of these babies. A YouTube Silver Play Button Award, which means you've made it to 100,000 subscribers. Let's unbox it, let's see what's inside. Well, I technically already know what's inside, but let's unbox it anyways.
Bata is the name of the dance we do down Johannesburg way.
All right, that was a nice little unboxing scene. Now that we've done that, let's just go over what's there. The box just opened right up, and on top was a letter. Let's read that letter. It says, you've done something very few YouTube creators accomplish. You've had an astonishing 100,000 subscribers to your channel. We know that numbers on YouTube can get really big, but we hope that you don't lose sight of the reality behind the 6-digit milestone. Each and every person who's subscribed to your channel has been touched by what you've created. They were inspired, challenged, and entertained. I hope that's true. You achieved this milestone with hard work, perseverance, and probably a healthy sense of humor too. I like to think so. But what you've accomplished can't be taken away from you, and we'd like to recognize you and all your hard work with this Silver Creator Award. It's a small token of our esteem and respect. How professional. We know that you don't do this for rewards. You do it because you have a drive to create and share. Oh, that's really nice, that's true. Believe us when we say that we can't wait to see what you do next. 1 million subscribers may seem a long way off right now, but you're closer than you think. And we're rooting for you. Congratulations. That's very nice, nice little letter. Thank you, Susan. Thank you, YouTube. That is the award. I've hit 100,000 subscribers. Pretty pumped on that. It makes me think about something though. The award is really, really nice, and I'm really excited. And I have put in a lot of work into this YouTube channel and trying to help people. This is really cool. But I actually kind of agree with what the letter said, right? I'd never ever did it for this. I'm just actually a bigger fan of helping people. And so I have been in a season of my life for the past few years where I've been helping people, and I've been trying to do that on YouTube. And so I've had lots of people write me and say that the things they learned from my channel helped them get a job, that they feel more confident, that they are encouraged or inspired. Those things are really, really cool. Those things matter to me. And so no matter what season of life I'm in, I want to encourage people, I want to love on people, I want to help people. There's lots of ways that I do that. I do that as a YouTuber, I do that as a husband and a father, I do that as a Christian, I do that as all the different things that I am. I'm not just one thing, right? I'm not just a designer, I'm a multitude of things. And my hope is that I try to be helpful, loving, encouraging, motivating, inspiring, and a friend in all aspects of my life. And so this is really, really cool, but it's not as cool as the opportunity to serve and to help and to love people. So keep that in mind in anything that you do. That's what really matters. So it's my thought of the day. Hope you guys are having a rad week. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. If you like this video, thumbs up, give it a subscription maybe. Think about that, because who knows, maybe we'll get to the next one and we could make another video where we talk about how it doesn't matter, but what really matters is you guys. So leave any comments or feedback down below. I'll get back to them as soon as I can. Talk to you soon.